I've been a teaching artist for maybe 40 years. I love working with older adults.
4 notes, because they felt that after they looked at the painting.
Coming full circle from working with children, now my focus and love of work is to be a teaching artist with older adults.
All together, ready?
I want to roll down them hills in a green roller coaster.
I think throughout our life, we are mentees, meaning we are all learning.
Reach and reach and reach.
And I also think that we look through our life, especially as we get older, that there are mentors that we have had, sages. The idea of multimodal or interdisciplinary is extremely important to ArtSage.
All right, stand by.
To build the model that we share a common vocabulary and a common inspiration. All the scientific studies, creativity, it soars till our last breath, so sing on.